From the provider Van Fox is a sock. It is comb cotton, 6 pair, comes in 3 sizes. As we pull out one of the pairs, we have here is the performance sock, go for the feel good, 2 pair. They got clips to hold them together while shipment. Please remove carefully. Sliding the sock out to show you the craftsmanship of both sides. This is an extra large sock. It is two-tone color, stitched and webbed. It is stretchable, showing on the hand. The sizes they come in, and the comfort and wear of the sock. I wear a size 12, and these are the extra large socks. Stretchable, I wear a size 12 sock. The foothold area, the toe area, and the design of the sock. They're just below the calf. Shoes and sneakers. 6 pair of socks, 2 per packaging. Check online for further details about the color and makes of the socks, boys, men's, and girls, and ladies. Enjoy your sock if this is something that you are looking for in a boot, sneaker, athletic wear, and more.